Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today it is my first unboxing of the year, but it's actually a Christmas present. So this is an item that I got from my sister-in-law and her family, and it was a big surprise when I got it. So I thought I'd share it with you because it's not something that I've done on the channel before. So this is what she got. So we have a fairly standard canvas, but the image is me and my husband. So this is a little selfie that we took of ourselves on the train one night on a night out some time ago, several years ago. But I think this has half a chance of turning out okay. It is a 30 by 30. I will just check. I think that is probably canvas size rather than image size, but we will check. Oh, I stand corrected. Okay. Nice. Okay, so that is the image size is 30 by 30, which is brilliant. So we're not losing anything to that border. It is only 18 colours, but we were both wearing black. So you know, maybe there's not going to be so much need for colours. We will see. I do know it came from an Amazon seller. I don't know who, unfortunately. If I can get more details, I will share them in the description or in the top comment or something. In terms of the kit, oh, excuse rattling. Come out. We have got quite a nice little toolkit. We've got the Mosfet style tray with the spout, 2 plates of pink wax, a squishy. We've got the slightly larger size places. I think that's a 7 and a 3. We've got our standard pen, but it's a little slightly sparkly one with a brass single placer tip. We have got a set of tweezers. They're quite nice, very sharp. Keep the lid on those. And we've got some baggies. So not bad at all. And as I always say, if you are just starting out, that is all you need and a little bit more. You don't need all the fancy things unless you really want them. And of course, most of us want them. We have got here, let's take that little band off. So I've got a little thumbnail of the image there, which you can see. And we've got our colours, we've got DMC, and we've got the number of colours. So yeah, you can see there we've got 3,720, 310, so that's our black, and 939, we've got 1,800, so that's our very dark navy blue. So it's going to be a pretty dark picture, but we'll see how it goes. Drills come pre-baggied, which is lovely, in resealable bags. I do like this. Okay, let's get them out and have a look. Okay, so yeah, these look fine. Oh, you've got a little infiltrator in there. So, that always happens though. But yeah, the drills are marked with their DMC number and the weight of how much they have in them. Where's that colour going? I wonder if 9, what's that, 9? That's letter A. That is, oh, well, that's going in my lips. Sort of, it's going to be a transitional colour between the bright reds and the flesh tones, I think. You've got a very dark brown there. Yeah, so the white is just, sort of, the highlight on my nose. My teeth, thankfully. Some of the highlights here. Yeah, I mean, it'll be interesting. I am looking forward to getting this one done. I'm going to try and work on this as soon as possible, or at least get it started, just so I can see how it's going to turn out, because I've not worked on a custom from a company like this before. The last time I did a custom photograph that was it this size? I think it was a 40 by 40. That was from Gems Flow. Since then, the only other photo custom that I've done has been from the one with the diamond art, who worked directly with me to work out sizes and things, which I'm not sure if that's the setup when you're ordering from Amazon. I think you probably just send them the photo and then they do it for you. However, apparently this seller came recommended, so we will see. I am excited to give it a go. I will of course share progress with you as always, and yeah, I just wanted to share this with you today. I've got some more unboxings from other companies coming up for you over the coming weeks. But as this was a Christmas present, I wanted to get this one done so I could really kind of draw a line under 2024 and start thinking about 2025. So, thank you to everybody that tuned in to my premiere on Wednesday evening. That was quite successful. I don't do premieres very often, but it is nice occasionally when I'm not available to do a full live, and obviously on this occasion when I wanted to give that 8 o'clock spot to Roxy for her to do her live launch of her January event. If you don't know about that yet, do go and check out both my premiere, which is now available as a regular video, which is talking about all of the events and the canvases I'm planning on doing for 2025, and also Roxy's launch live from her event. So I'm going to leave this here. Thank you to everybody that watches. If you want to support the channel, you can do so by liking, sharing, leaving a comment, subscribing if you haven't already, come over to Facebook, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and if you can possibly do so, you can support the channel more directly by becoming a channel member or Patreon. The link is down below and it is just 99 pence. To those of you who already do that, I am forever grateful. And until next time, stay crafty!